How to find hidden apps on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to find hidden apps on Android. Without further ado, let's begin. Launch Settings application on your device. Scroll down and navigate to Privacy option. Now select Privacy next to Permissions. Here you will get different options, that is App Lock, Hide Apps and Private Save. Select Hide Apps. Then you'll need to enter your privacy password. You will get access to the space where you will see all the list of the application. Next to all, select hidden, and here you will get the list of all the hidden application on Android device. If you'd like to unhide apps on Android, simply turn off the button and this will unhide the hidden apps on Android. So in this way you can successfully find hidden apps on Android. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.